Tim, shut the door. Tim, he's studying. I don't care if he's studying. Don't let anybody in the building, okay? No one. You let one person in, you let everybody in. You don't let anybody in. I'm trying to get this gentleman to leave or refusing to.
Here we go. I'm sorry.
Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Charged because I saw you texting and I know what you were doing, okay? You were instructing them on how to get in the building. As far as I'm concerned, you're criminally liable.
Oh yeah, you got that.
I didn't think much.
No. You didn't think much about a bunch of half-naked students running through.
We didn't know what was going on, so no, we weren't working that night last year.
So this was the 2011 second annual Ubyssey Undie Run, funded by Ubyssey Ski and Board, the best club on campus. We stripped down for charity, give all the clothes away to the DDA, and we're just killing it every year, no biggie. I mean, it's 2 years in a row, and nobody's died so far. So we're just stoked and to have so much fun, you know, in the middle of exams when everybody's all stress balling. All right.